again on Dancing Drums Explosion. We did not get the upgrade, but here we go. We've got pink or gold. Pink. Mini for $18.
Better than nothing.
Keeps us alive. So $18 there.
Fine.
Very nice line hit. We didn't get the fifth one though. That would have been great. $108. Okay, we are in the bonus on Dancing Drums. Wait a minute, it's gonna upgrade them all. Yeah, go for 10. Yes, because we got a gold. We're gonna go with 10. Because we need a good bonus here. All the way across something. Food dogs, chips.
Or retriggers.
Retriggers. We need lots and lots of everything. Not that. Or that. Oh, come on. Do something. Halfway through the spins. 5 more. Oh, gosh. Let it go on its own. Come on. It's 4 more chances. Something good. Okay, there we go. $36. Okay, a couple more like that will be okay. Keep going. There we go. 27. 1 more spin. Need 2 drums for a retrigger. No, nothing. $97.95.
Keeps us in it.
Keeps us alive. Gives us another chance to play. Coin show. All right, let's go. Okay, we closed the pot. We got the jackpot upgrade. Wouldn't that major be fantastic? Pink, all the way pink. Pink. Do it again, pink. Pink. Of course, the mini. 3106. Still alive though. Okay, we got the bonus on Dancing Drums Explosion with the upgrade. I thought we had a gold drum.
No, it was a flop.
Oh, there was no gold drum. All right, just make it really good.
Nice.
Okay, good start.
Nice.
We need a retrigger. We need lots of retriggers, like 100,000 of them.
Yeah, 119,000.
119,000 retriggers.
Oh, we need
Don't push it. Let it go on its own. There, come on. Something good. Something good. Halfway through. Okay, that's a little bit. $24. Covering a little bit of our losses. We put like $300 in here.
We need a retrig.
Yes. Oh no, come on, drums. All the way, all the way. We need 2 drums. We need a retrigger. Oh gosh. Okay, $24. 1 more. Make it good. Make it good.
All the way? Nice.
Yeah, that's
Little
good. $54 at the end there.
That'll be alright.
That helps.
And we're going to wait for, of course, the coin show.
Yes, I'm up here in Cripple Creek, Colorado with my son, Michael. We didn't have a gold drum, we had a gold cymbal. Okay. Coin show. Now we need to get it with the gold drum.